Today is one of sunshine and showers. That theme continues into the weekend with temperatures remaining around average. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Right.
House, Benjamin.
Not in your house? Really?
No. I basically am not domesticated and do nothing other than play with Charlotte and her Barbies.
That sounds like fun.
That's basically it.
Yeah.
And drink heavily. No. That's just because I work with you, Ben.
Yeah, that would be fair. That would be fair. Have you got any weather for us?
Do you know, for the UK, it's the same old, sunshine and showers, temperatures about average. Here's the details. But for those who are not staying in the UK, who are heading off on their holidays, are wondering what is happening with the temperatures across Europe, I'm actually the bearer of some good news. We saw Jonathan Swain and Richard Gates were there reporting on the heat and the wildfires. The heat is now just through eastern areas of the Mediterranean. And actually, as we head through the next few days, a cold front moves in, it brings cooler weather, it brings more wind, it brings some rain and a welcome relief. So temperature-wise...
Global boiling now is really, it's sort of... I don't know what the word is. It's just it's sort of terrifying.
Yeah, and you know what? I was on Radio 4 earlier this week and we were talking about whether the reporting of the extreme weather has been alarmist, but as we see there, what is happening is actually alarming at the moment. And it was announced yesterday that it looks like July is set to be the hottest month that Earth has ever recorded. The red line here is the track of our temperature globally so far this year, and this is July, and it is way above everything that we have ever recorded. Now, when I was a junior forecaster...
We heard also President Biden speaking about what he thinks should be done, how it's a priority for him, and I guess a change in stance in the US could be massively beneficial.
Yeah, and it is about people leading the way. So Biden did a big speech yesterday. I think people were hoping he would say more and do more, but it's definitely a big change. He's investing more money in weather forecasting, making sure people have the early warnings that they need. Right now in North America, 180 million people are under extreme heat warnings. And actually, Phoenix and Arizona have had 28... Good morning to you. The weekend is nearly upon us, and weather-wise, no major changes for us in the UK. Recently, we've had rain and weather fronts, and they've now moved into the near continent. That's helping to push away lots of the high temperatures and the heat and humidity. The outlook for us, low pressure. Well, it's this shower theme that stays with us as we head through to the weekend. So let's take a look at how things change as we head through the next 7 days. So for Scotland, Northern Ireland and for northern areas of England, we look at our temperatures first of all compared to average. And they're sitting pretty much, if not below average, as we head through the next 7 days. So no high temperatures or heat waves forecast for the UK for the foreseeable week or two, actually. Percentage chance of rainfall, how likely we are to see wet weather across the UK? Well, today, actually, hit and miss showers, more in the way of sunshine. Frequent showers developing as we head through the weekend and on into Monday. A band of rain arrives. Tuesday looks like it's set to be dry with showers into the middle of next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Well, again, temperature-wise, they remain around about average, both by day and by night. A fairly humid start first thing this morning, though. But then if we look at our percentage chance of rainfall, hit and miss showers today, but more in the way of sunshine. Heavier showers as we head through the weekend. So Saturday looks like most frequent showers. Sunday actually looks that little bit drier. And then as we head through to next week, a band of rain spreads across the country on Monday. Not a great start to the week. Showers on Tuesday. But from the middle of next week onwards, hints that things turn a little bit drier. And for the next week or two, it stays cool. Hints of warmer weather come mid-August. Good morning to you. The weekend nearly upon us, and for those who are still heading off on their summer holidays, this is a snapshot of how things are looking temperature-wise through Europe. And actually, temperatures are back down to average. We've seen cooler air flooding in, particularly through east. Good morning to you. Weather-wise, it's the story of sunshine and showers across the UK. And if you are heading away on your holiday and wondering what's happening through the Mediterranean, the temperatures have fallen. The heat and humidity confined to the far southeast, and even here, temperatures recover. Good morning to you. Well, not much is happening with our weather, but thankfully things are brighter than they have been over the last few days. More sunshine around today. There will be showers, pretty isolated, but when they occur, they could be fairly heavy. The latest satellite and radar shows barely a cloud in the sky across the southeast. Gorgeous sunshine to start. Cloudier skies further west, where we're already greeted by a few showers. Now, as we head through the day, the showers few and far between for England and Wales, where we have some decent sunshine. Scotland and Northern Ireland, more frequent showers here, but in between some lengthy sunshine. And actually, with those blue skies, highs up to 23 or 24 degrees, should feel very pleasant indeed. This evening and overnight tonight, a fairly humid one with further bands of showers sweeping across the country. Some of those may keep you awake overnight tonight. And tomorrow is another one of sunshine and showers.